you big enough to play? He's hogging on the milk, so he gets a little break while his brother and sisters are eating. No, brothers and sister are eating because he keeps trying to escape. So he's actually enjoying this. Look, here's a little. Uh-oh, can't distract mommy. That smell like your mommy's claws. Oh, baby. It's like it's her first steps into the big old world. Cats have scent glands in their claws, like in their, where their claws are, the paw pads. And so she's smelling all the scents because some other kitties, oh look at her shaggy back legs. I think she's a little nervous also. She's using her legs more than usual. Uh-oh, mommy might not like it that you're by yourself. Did mommy say it's enough? Is it time to go back? Okay, I think our little exploration's over. Oh my gosh, but they're like twins. TV's never gonna want to come back, mommy. She's had to fill it. She's exploring the outside world, and there's a puppy under there. All right, sorry, mom. Time to go back.